Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can crop a video in the Capcut app. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Capcut app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, all of your recent projects will be displayed on this page. Now, access the target project and the editing timeline will open up. In order to crop the video, tap on the video layer and a bunch of features will pop up at the bottom. Simply scroll to the right side and tap on Transform. After that, tap on the Resize feature and start cropping the video to your preference. You can also use the presets present below if you want. Once you're done with the cropping, tap on the tick icon at the top to save the changes. This will apply the cropping to your video within the Capcut project. So that's basically how you can crop a video in the Capcut app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.